In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact LinkedIn customer support on mobile. If you're stuck with an account issue, a login glitch, or something that just isn't working the way it should, the fastest way to reach the right team is through the Help Center inside the LinkedIn app. I'll walk you through exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can get your request submitted smoothly. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From the main screen, tap your profile icon. This is the small photo or avatar at the top of the app. That opens your account menu. At the bottom of that menu, tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Help Center and tap it. The Help Center may open within the app or in a web view, and that's completely normal. Once you're in the Help Center, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option labeled Contact Us. Go ahead and tap that. This is where LinkedIn allows you to reach customer support by creating a support ticket. Tap Create a Support Ticket to begin. From here, select the category that best matches your issue. Picking the right category helps your request get to the correct team faster. After you choose a category, follow the on-screen instructions. The form will guide you step by step. You'll typically be asked for a brief description of the problem and any relevant details. Keep your description clear and specific. Describe what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and when it occurred. If there's an error message, include the exact wording. Avoid sharing any sensitive information. You don't need to provide passwords or private codes. Before submitting, quickly review your information to make sure it's accurate. When everything looks good, send the ticket. You should see a confirmation that your request has been received. Keep an eye on the email associated with your LinkedIn account and your in-app notifications for updates or follow-up questions from support. That's all there is to it. To recap, open the LinkedIn app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Help Center, scroll down, tap Contact Us, choose Create a Support Ticket, select the right category, and follow the prompts. Using the in-app, Help Center keeps everything in one place and helps LinkedIn route your request efficiently. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I hope your LinkedIn issue gets resolved quickly.